I'm Larry Hartenstein in Jackson, Wyoming. I had the incredible opportunity to ski this Blizzard Anomaly 102. These things are incredible. They've kind of changed the way that they're layering metal in the skis. Their new flex form T-nol sheets are doing 2 sheets, a little thicker 0.6 on the top and 0.4 on the bottom. It reduces the torsional rigidity. It's still an incredibly damp ski. Every bit of it, like I couldn't find an area that I wasn't happy on this ski. We got to ski it in some POW and it rocked at a 102, and I'm using a little wider ski. The bumps incredibly fast, nimble, and then laying it up on edge on coming down the mountain. I mean, I was impressed with it. I'm kind of an anomaly, so this ski is sort of for me. Always been impressed with Blizzard skis, everything about the way they produce their stuff. Just skis like very dynamically, just enjoyed them immensely all day long.